And finally this evening, the South African rand held steady in early Friday trade, slightly weaker at 17.72 to the dollar as markets awaited key US inflation data and local economic releases. Now focus is on the US Fed's preferred inflation gauge, which could shape interest rates expectations. Locally, private sector credit grew 5.84% year-on-year in July, while M3 money supply hit a record high, up 6.75%. Now on the JSE, both the all-share and the top 40 indices slipped, with most sectors down except for small caps. Market analyst Bruce Chalker breaks down the week's market performance.
Rand is closing the week on a cautious note, trading slightly weaker at 17.72 against the dollar on Friday morning as investors turn their attention to upcoming US inflation data and local economic releases. The subdued tone reflected broader market hesitancy, with the euro holding steady around 20.68 against the rand and the pound at 23.85. So while the JSE top 40 also eased as risk appetite cooled, in commodities, gold retreated from its earlier peak of $3,423 an ounce, slipping back to $3,400. So traders booked their profits ahead of key data. For the week as a whole, the rand's performance was marked by consolidation after recent gains, while global and domestic factors keeping investors on edge. Attention now shifts to how US inflation figures may shape the Federal Reserve next policy moves, while South Africa's upcoming economic indicators will be closely watched for signs of resilience in an economy. So battling sluggish growth, with the JSE top 40 easing in the weekend and gold still holding elevated levels, market remain in a wait and see mode, setting the stage for a data-driven start to next week's